Today I am going to show how to prepare one of the South Indian dish, curd rice. In South, curd rice is consumed at the end of every meal as the curd soothes your stomach after eating all the spices. The ingredients required are, for lack of time, I have prepared rice here and the curd and a tablespoon of mustard seeds and teaspoon each of chana dal and urud dal, and I have already cut green chilies, a small amount, and it depends on how spice you eat, and curry leaves, ginger, and to garnish some cilantro and salt to taste. So let's prepare the seasoning. The oil is getting heated up, and I'm going to add mustard seeds. Once it splutters fully well, add chana dal and urud dal, and then bring it back to the flame. Just stir it and make sure it doesn't get darkened, and it should be golden brown. And to this, add the green chili, add ginger and stir it a little bit, and add curry leaves to this. Just make sure it just becomes crispy. See, you can see chana dal and urud dal are golden brown and it didn't get dark. And once everything is cooked well, you can turn off the gas and then mix it to the cooked rice. Add salt to it and mix this very well. Once you mix this well, and make sure the rice is not very hot nor very cold, okay, and then add the required quantity of yogurt. And mix it very well again. If you had to serve this curd rice after an hour or so, make sure don't mix the curd well in advance because it absorbs all the yogurt and then it becomes very thick. So the curd should be mixed just before you serve. Rest of the ingredients you can mix it with rice, but when it comes to curd, make sure before you serve you just mix it. And then to garnish, you can put some cilantro, and then you can mix this well, and then you can, at this point, you can taste and see if the salt is enough or not, and then if you require, you can just add it. Let me taste it and then tell you. Yummy curd rice. You can eat this with mango pickle or chutney or anything. It is delicious. Thank you, viewers.